Here's an overview of the onboarding process on Olympia to help you get started. Whether you've chosen a plan or are here for a free trial, you'll land on the sign-up page. Simply enter your information and click Proceed to Payment. Keep in mind that you can change any of these details at a later stage if needed. Next, you'll see a page where you can enter your card information and complete your payment. For your convenience, you'll see that the currency has been updated to match your local currency. For regular sign-ups, you'll be charged automatically at the end of each billing cycle until you cancel. If you're signing up for a free trial, you'll only be charged when the trial ends, and you can cancel at any time. Remember to enter any promotional code you may have, then click Subscribe. Next, you'll be directed to our welcome page, which includes a welcome message and some tips to get started. When you're ready to continue, click Begin Onboarding. Next, you'll be greeted by the main Olympia dashboard. Now click on the Active Onboarding conversation with Elaine. This conversation allows Olympia to gather basic information from you that your consultants can reference in future interactions. There are just a few straightforward questions that should only take about a minute to answer. Once Elaine confirms your organization's name, she'll ask for your website URL to gather accurate information about your company. She'll then request a description of the services you provide. Next, she'll ask about your job title or role within the organization. After that, she'll confirm whether you're a solopreneur or part of a larger team. Following this, she'll inquire about the primary benefits you hope to gain from using Olympia. To wrap up, she'll ask how you found out about Olympia. Now that onboarding is complete, you'll see the rest of your team appear in the sidebar. It's important to remember that Elaine is available as a support consultant specifically for questions and assistance related to Olympia. For your daily tasks and operational needs, please rely on your other consultants. After onboarding, you can ask Elaine for guidance if needed. But let's review how to contact our human support if you require further assistance. One option is to ask Elaine to contact us on your behalf. Just provide her with some basic details, and we'll be notified. We'll reach out to you if we need any additional information about your issue. Alternatively, you can submit a support ticket manually by clicking your profile image at the bottom left of the page and selecting Contact Support. That wraps up our walkthrough of the onboarding process. You're now ready to get started with Olympia. If you have any questions or need further assistance, remember you can reach out to any consultant or submit a support ticket.